Good day and welcome on board. I am pleased to have you here as we discuss a subject that is both simple and deeply important. Yes, that is the basic medical and safety items every person should carry on a daily basis. Whether you are going to work, traveling, or simply spending the day outdoors, there are certain essentials that can protect your health and prepare you for unexpected situations. Today, we will take a careful look at each of them so that you can build your own daily health readiness kit. When we leave our homes in the morning, we usually focus on our schedule, our meetings, or the places we need to be. We rarely give serious thought to the possibility that our day might suddenly change because of a medical situation or an unexpected accident. However, health emergencies do not wait for a convenient moment. They can happen in a crowded bus, on a busy street, in an office, or even during a short visit to the market. Preparation is not an act of fear. It is an act of responsibility. Carrying certain essential medical items every day is a habit that can protect your own health and possibly save someone else's life. The first and most important item is a compact first aid kit. This does not have to be a large or heavy box. Many stores sell small, travel-sized kits that fit easily in a handbag, backpack, or glove compartment. Inside, you should have adhesive bandages of various sizes, antiseptic wipes to clean wounds, and a few sterile gauze pads. For larger injuries, these simple tools allow you to immediately treat minor cuts, scrapes, or burns before they become infected. It is remarkable how a small kit can make a big difference in the first crucial minutes after an injury. Alongside your first aid kit, you must carry any personal prescription medications that you require for your health. If you take daily tablets, keep an extra dose with you in case your plans change and you return home later than expected. For individuals with serious conditions such as asthma, diabetes, or severe allergies, life-saving devices like an inhaler, insulin, or an epinephrine auto-injector must always be within reach. Even if you believe you will not need them during the day, the unexpected can happen, and it is better to have them ready than to face a dangerous delay. Another highly useful addition is a small supply of general pain relief tablets, such as paracetamol or ibuprofen. These can help manage headaches, muscle strain, toothaches, or mild fever when you are away from home. For many people, antihistamine tablets are equally important. Allergic reactions can occur without warning. A meal at a restaurant, a sudden change in weather, a plant in the park, or an insect bite can trigger symptoms like swelling, itching, or difficulty breathing. Having antihistamines with you means you can respond immediately and prevent the situation from becoming more severe. One item that is often overlooked but extremely valuable is hand sanitizer. In our daily routines, we touch door handles, handrails, cash, and countless other surfaces that may carry harmful bacteria or viruses. Hand sanitizer acts as a portable defense, especially when soap and water are not available. Keeping your hands clean reduces your risk of infections and protects the people you come into contact with as well. A small but powerful tool to include in your kit is a compact CPR face shield. In the rare case that someone stops breathing near you, this simple, flat device allows you to perform mouth-to-mouth resuscitation safely. While most people will never need to use one, in the moment when it is required, it can save a life. Equally important is an emergency contact card. This card should contain your full name, blood type, any medical conditions, known allergies, and the phone number of a trusted family member or friend. If you are unconscious or unable to speak, this card will guide medical responders to give you the correct treatment quickly. In situations where every second matters, this information can be as valuable as any piece of equipment. Finally, never underestimate the importance of a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is not only about comfort, it is about maintaining proper body function. Dehydration can cause fatigue, dizziness, confusion, and even fainting. Whether you are traveling, working, or running errands, having water with you supports your energy levels and mental clarity throughout the day. When all of these items are combined, a compact first aid kit, personal prescription medications, general pain relief, tablets, antihistamines, hand sanitizer, A CPR face shield, an emergency contact card, and a reusable water bottle, you create a portable health safety net. These essentials are light in weight, small in size, but powerful in their ability to prevent minor issues from becoming serious problems. The truth is, preparation is not just for medical professionals. Every person can carry these tools. When you make it a habit, you will not only protect yourself, but you may also become the person who steps forward when someone else is in need. Emergencies test our readiness, and by carrying these essentials, you ensure that you are never caught helpless. So, as you prepare for tomorrow, do not just think about your phone, your wallet, or your keys. Think about your health and safety first. Make space in your bag for these medical essentials. You may never know whose life you will improve or save, perhaps even your own. Thank you for taking the time to listen and learn about these vital daily health essentials. I encourage you to review this list, prepare your own kit, and carry it with you starting today. Preparedness is not only a gift to yourself, it is a potential lifeline for others. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I look forward to sharing more practical health advice with you soon. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe for more videos and the knowledge you need.